The Taliban, in their infinite wisdom, have decided to stone this girl to death. Do you know what stoning is? It's to put a girl in a hole in the ground. People are going to throw rocks at her head until she dies. The morality police said that her teaching Taekwondo to females makes her deserve the stoning penalty. Now, what can we do about this? We've learned with cases in Iran that making somebody famous can help stop them getting executed. We can pressure the Taliban to stop this because they know that their regime is very fragile and they can be absolutely nailed and destroyed by the international community, especially if Trump hears about this. So we need to get her famous. Stop this Taekwondo girl getting stoned. She's a beautiful little girl who's just trying to teach Taekwondo to other females. This is not a way to die. Please share her name. Khadija Ahmadzada.